5 short animation tools for social media videos. I'm sure you've heard a lot about video content, how video content has become a new trend. Some people are also saying soon static content will die and only videos are the future of content. Well, that is not going to happen in the near future, don't worry. But still, video content will become more convincible in the upcoming years. To create watchable and likable video content, you will have to make various videos like animated, short videos, stop motion, and many different more. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. I will share 5 short animation video tools to help you create fun animated videos in this video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Firstly, I want to tell you that these are for short videos and not for long form video. Creating lively social videos is simple with the app tools. So let's look at the 5 tools for animation. Number 1, Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a great tool that lets you design graphics in no time. This app is available in both mobile and desktop versions. There are many animator templates, so you can search for them for concepts or inspiration for your video and start from zero. Number 2, Picsart Animator. This app is top rated among mobile users. So Picsart Animator is a mobile app that gives you all the essential features you could ask for creating an animated video. You can use pre-designed animated stickers, effects, transitions, background music, and even glitch video effects. And you can also draw your own animation. Number 3, Animation Desk. If you want to create frame-to-frame animations within less time, then Animation Desk is for you. With this app, you can create animation series and convert them into storyboards. From this app, you can directly upload it on social media. Number 4, Animoto. Animoto is a web app for designing animated videos, particularly explainer video. There's a huge library of customizable video templates, so you can start creating your animations with zero design skills. This app provides you many features like changing the color, text, and font. Animoto also provides you with the video style features. This feature defines the transitions, text animations, and effects in your video. Number 5, Powtoon. Powtoon is a web app like Animoto. This app gives you many templates of animated figures, background views, posts, and more. You can add voiceover and add background music too. Powtoon has one unique feature. It enables you to choose between presentation mode and animation mode. That's been some of the fittest animation apps for making highly performing social media videos. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that work for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.